Good morning. From Israel to Australia, from China to Germany, from Burkina Faso to India, from Great Britain to Curacao, the graduating LLM class of 2017 represents over 25 different countries, and among us, several languages are spoken. With such a diverse group of people from the corners of the globe, who would have thought that we would have ended up in a city in the middle of New England, Hartford, Connecticut, which I have to be honest, I wasn't even sure where it was on the map until Google told me. But we were all excited to come to UConn School of Law because of our shared desire to broaden our experiences and learn about a new culture. We were drawn by the challenge of learning a new language, a new legal system, and an entirely different way of learning. The Socratic method, for example, came as a huge learning curve for many of us when we realized that class was going to be like a lottery. Before every class, we would wonder, will I get picked on by the professor today? Will I know the answer? Should I make eye contact with the professor, or will that just mean that I get picked on? We soon learned, if completely stumped by a question, most LLM students could resort to the "we're international students" excuse to get out of a tricky situation. For us international students, we came at an interesting time to the United States, when there's been a lot of political change and fierce ideological discussion. But this just highlighted to me, through my experience at UConn Law, the immense benefit that I have gained in having such a multicultural group of students. We were able to thrive in sharing ideas, learning about different cultures, and forging friendships with people from all over the globe. No matter where our legal careers take us, no doubt that what we have learnt from UConn School of Law will stay with us our whole lives. A talk by Dean Fisher during Diversity Week really stuck with me. He said that we are joining the elite and being part of the legal profession. We hold a knowledge and a position of privilege not held by others in the population. We are where we are now because of our perseverance and hard work. We should feel privileged that we are here because of the unique opportunities that have arisen along the way. It could have been anyone in the world that could be standing where you are today. So let us put what we have learnt and our experiences to good use and push towards inclusion and progress. As John Gardner wrote, all too often on the long road up, young leaders become servants of what is rather than shapers of what might be. Truly creative ideas have always been met by opposition because by implication, this novel idea challenges the status quo. But time and time again, we find innovators with a new and minority view that have the power to transform the whole system. As lawyers, every day we will be using and interacting with the law in a way that could have a significant impact on someone's life. Therefore, do not be complacent. Armed with the knowledge and experience that we have gained at law school, let us strive to make a difference and not wait for someone else to do the job. Seek opportunities to change things in the system that need to be improved. Fight to preserve things that work. Be proud of where you come from, because your unique point of view may be just what will make you an innovator, a catalyst for change, or a new voice in the debate as to how the law will develop in the future. It is our attitude as to how we use our experiences, approach our work, and deal with others that will shape our legal careers, our reputations, and our success. So I want to leave you with this. Never settle for merely satisfactory, but aim to be revolutionary. Thank you very much, and my congratulations once again to the UConn Law class of 2017.